So in cooking the noodles, I have already boiled the water. Then I added the salt. It's your option if you will use the rock salt or the iodized salt. So at least half teaspoon or 1 tablespoon, depende po. Optional na lang yun, yung quantity that you would like to put. Then I added the oil. So I use 1 tablespoon. So there you go. Nailubog ko na, or I was able to dip the noodles. So we'll just wait for a few minutes and then I'll mix the noodles. So just refer to the back part of the spaghetti packaging. There will be instruction on how to cook the pasta and for how long you need to cook that. But for 900 grams, this will be my output after cooking the pasta.